Yes, very good, students. You have all done the activity. Very good. Jayabanga.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, very good. Other students? Tanisha, Helene, Prisha. Very good. Okay, students. Today we will do the back exercise and question answers of this chapter. Okay. Very good, very good. Now,
सर्टिफिकेट आ गया और डाउनलोड कर लूं.
open page number 24 of your book. Page number 24. Yes. So, the first is classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Okay. You have to choose what are the
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my page 24 is blank.
लिखा मैडम.
Okay. 24 is blank. In your
Ma'am,
book.
yes. Ma'am, yes.
There is a back exercise and question answer also.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, there is no.
Don't worry, I will share the PDF with you. Okay, after class I will share PDF with you. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, the first is nylon. It is a natural or synthetic fiber? Yes. Manyata? Please unmute any one student who have raised hand.
Good morning.
Yes, very good morning.
Ma'am, nylon is a synthetic fiber.
Yes, nylon is a synthetic fiber. Okay. And wool, next is wool. It is natural or?
Wool is a natural fiber.
Very good, very good. Now next, cotton.
Ma'am, cotton is a natural fiber.
Yes, cotton is a natural fiber that we get from the fruit of the cotton plant. Yes. Now next, silk.
Ma'am, natural fiber.
Yes. From where we get the silk? From silkworm. Yes, from the cocoon of the silkworm. Okay. From that cocoon, we get the silk fibers. Yes. Now next is polyester.
Synthetic.
Ma'am, synthetic fiber.
Fiber.
Yes. Students, please answer one by one. Okay. Next, jute. Only that student will answer who I ask. Okay. Jute. Javish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, natural fiber.
Yes, jute is a natural fiber that we obtain from the stem of the jute plant. Yes. Now next, state whether, second is state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. The first is yarn is made from fibers. True or false? Only that student will answer whom I will ask. Okay, Manjot Kaur, yarn is made from fibers.
True.
Yes, very good. Now, second is spinning is the process of making fibers. That we make fibers from spinning. Yes, Sargunpreet.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it is false. We make yarn from.
Yarn.
Yes, good. C part is jute is the outer covering of coconut. Chinmay.
Ma'am, false.
False. Then from where we get jute?
Ma'am, plant. Natural.
Yes, from stem of jute plant. Yes. Now next, The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. Ame?
True.
True.
Yes, it is true. Very good. Now, E part, weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. Vinayak? Yes, bache, answer.
False.
Yes, weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. Yes, it is false, Vinayak. Good. Sorry, the E part, weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. But it is true. E part, it is true. Okay, that we make a piece of fabric from it. Yes. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. Jasmeet. Yes. Silk fiber is obtained from stem of a plant.
True.
We get
And false. And silkworm.
yes. So F part,
You are not audible.
silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. It is false. False. G part, polyester is a natural fiber. Suksagar. Polyester is a natural fiber.
Ma'am, false.
Sorry. Repeat.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it is false. So kindly match the answers of true, false. A is true. B is false. C is false. D true. E true. F false. G false. Okay. All I have done? Yes. Now, coming to the third part, fill in the blanks. Okay. First part is plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash. The answer is from where we get plant fibers? From cotton plant and jute plant. Okay. Plant fibers obtained from cotton plants and jute plants. Yes. Now, okay. Now, Helene will answer. Animal fibers are dash and dash. Name the fibers means. Animal fibers कौन-कौन से हैं? Yes, बच्चे?
Wool and silk.
Yes.
And
Silk. Very good. So in the first line you can write wool and in the second silk. Wool and silk. Okay. I am repeating the answers. A part cotton plants and in the second jute plants. Okay. Plant fibers are obtained from cotton plants and jute plants. Animal fibers are silk and wool. Yes. So the next question number 4, from which parts of the plant coconut and jute are obtained? In this, students, you have to write the 4th, 5th and 6th question answer on your notebook. Okay. Yes.
may
Just wait, I am giving you.
ropes and cord.
Please, student. I'm just giving you instruction. Okay, carefully listen to that first. So, in the question answer, what you will do, you will you will write the answer of fourth in 2 lines. Okay. For example, from which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? You will write, we get from which parts? Okay. We get cotton from the fruit of the cotton plant. Okay. In the first line that you will write, we get cotton from the fruit of the cotton plant. Yes. And in the second line, you will write from where we are getting jute.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay, I am repeating again. In the fourth question, you will write answer in 2 lines. In the first line, you will write that we get cotton from the fruit of the cotton plant. Yes.
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है.
मैम ये ठीक है आपकी वॉइस.
मैम ये ऐसे वॉइस आपकी ठीक है.
Yes, students. In the second, you will write we get jute from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, in the second line, you will write we get jute from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, students, you have to frame answers by your own. Okay, I will not send any PDF. When the students will send me the answer, I will choose the best. Okay, and then send it to the group. Okay, that are called the model answers. Okay, you have to frame. I am giving you idea that how you can write the answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम लाइंस मैम खुद ही फ्रेम करके बना के
Yes,
लिखनी
you
है.
have to frame in your own words. Okay. Now next, coming to the fifth question, name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. In this, what you will write? You will write heading first. Okay. The items that are made from coconut fibers are. Okay, you can write 2 minimum, and for the maximum you can write 5 only. Okay, not beyond that. Okay, you can write 2 to 5. Maximum is 5. Maximum number is 5. Okay, there is no need to write above 5. Okay. Firstly, you will give the heading. The things, the items that are made from cotton fibers are. Okay, then you will write first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, what are the things that are made from cotton fibers? Anyone know? Raise your hands. Yes. Himanshu. Yes, bache, please answer.
Ma'am, clothes, bed sheets.
Bache, from cotton fiber. Cotton fiber, bache. Sorry. Coconut fiber.
May I?
Coconut fiber, sorry.
Ma'am, mats.
Yes.
Ma'am, rugs.
Yes. Now you can make rugs, mats, carpets. Yes. Now next is explain the process of making yarn from fiber. We have discussed how to make yarn from fiber by the process called. What is the name of that process? Yes, and more?
Ma'am, spinning.
Yes, spinning. So the process by which we make yarn from fiber is called spinning. Yes, in this question you have to explain the process. Okay. Firstly, you will write the definition of spinning. Okay. Then how it is how you convert the fibers to yarn. In the second line, you will write that thing. Okay. The cotton fibers are drawn out. Yes, and then twisted. Yes. This brings the fiber together to form a yarn. Yes. Then we made the yarn. Okay. Now the devices. Now in the next line, you will write the devices. Okay. A simple device that is used for spinning is, what is the name of that device?
Ma'am,
Ghazal?
charkha.
Ma'am, takli.
Yes, it is a hand spindle which is also called takli. Yes. So a simple device that is used for spinning is a hand spindle called takli. Yes, and for spinning we also use charkha. Yes. If the spinning has to be done over a large scale, then we use a machine called spinning machine. Yes. Firstly, you will write the spinning definition of spinning. Then how the spinning is done. Yes, you have to frame the question in this way. Definition, how it is done, and then the device that is used, that is takli. Then about charkha, we also use charkha. Yes, and then on a large scale, spinning of yarn is done by the help of a machine called spinning machine. In this way, you will write your answers. Okay, don't worry. If you face any type of problem, you can ask me anytime. Okay. There is no need to get
Excuse me,
panicked
ma'am.
that we don't know how to write the answer, how to frame the answers. You will know about it. Okay, don't worry about it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने जो पहले वर्कशीट भेजी थी उसकी आंसर की भेजनी है आपने?
Actually, students, we will discuss the worksheet. Okay. Just 1 minute. Yes, students, we will discuss the worksheet 1, assignment 1. The first question is, give 2 conditions suitable for cotton cultivation. Yes, Avni, what are the 2 conditions?
Warm weather and black soil is suitable for cotton cultivation.
Yes, very good. Avni, please, can you repeat again?
Ma'am, warm weather and black soil is suitable for
Yes.
cotton cultivation.
The 2 conditions are warm climate and black soil that are required for cotton cultivation. Second is, which type of climate is required for growing jute? Yes, who know the answer? Sukh Sagar? Yes, bache?
Rainy season required for jute plant.
Yes, good. Name a part of a plant. Third is, name a part of plant from where jute is obtained. Yes. Raise your hands. Vaishnavi, you know the answer? Name a part of plant where jute is obtained, from where jute is obtained. Stay attentive in the class, students. Yes, Abhi. Please answer, bache.
Ma'am, jute is obtained from the part of jute, from the stem of jute plant.
Yes, we obtain jute from the stem of the jute plant. Yes. Fourth is, the seeds from cotton fiber is removed by combing by the process of dash. What is the name? What is the name of that process for the separation of seeds from fibers? Yes, very good.
Ma'am, spinning.
Ma'am, ginning.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it
ginning.
is
Ginning.
ginning, not
Ginning.
spinning.
Ma'am, ginning.
Yes, it is ginning. The process of obtaining jute from jute plant.
Ma'am, ribbon.
Ratting.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ratting.
Spelling of ratting is R-E-T-T-I-N-G, ratting. Okay. Now you have to complete these question answers on your notebook. Okay, and also paste the activity. Okay, on your notebook. Yes. Is there any doubt? Yes, good, good. Students, you can write the answer of first is either on this side, but you have to write the full name. Synthetic fiber, natural fiber, or there is also a blank page. You can write answers here also. Okay, if there is no space in the first part. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
just 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. Student, there is also an activity 1 on page number 18 that we have, that you will also do. You will collect the cuttings of fabrics. Okay, and then paste it on your notebook. Okay, remember this activity also. You have to do this activity. Jasmine Kaur. Yes. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, kitne types of clothes हैं?
Yes, you have to collect the pieces from any tailor shop, or if you have at home, then there is no need to go to the tailor shop. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने कहा कटिंग बना के करनी है तो मैम उसको मेजर करके करनी है कि मैम बिल्कुल ही ऐसी चिपका देना है?
नहीं. There is no need to measure the cloth or fabric, any fabric. You have just take a small cutting. Okay? Not a large one. You need only a small cutting. Okay? Then also name. Listen. Also name. Write the name of the fabric that you have collected. If you have collected cotton fiber, then you have to write the cotton fiber. If you have collected silk, then you have to write the silk fiber. Okay? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to paste the cutting of that fabrics on your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
मैम हमें कितने डिफरेंट टैग्स लगाने हैं? मैम मेरे पास 5 है.
5 are sufficient. Okay? Not less than that or not more than that. Okay, you can also use wool. I have told you 3 examples. Now rest of the 2 you will find. Okay? Either rayon, nylon, there are so many fibers that are there in the market also.